Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been such a long time since I've posted anything. One of my New Year's resolutions for this year is to get back into YouTube. So I'll be trying to do that. Let me know if there's any types of videos or topics that you think would be fun for me to film, and leave them in the comments below. So I'm currently in my second day of my 3-day quarantine here in Japan, in this hotel. So I've got a lot of time on my hands. 3 days is honestly not that long. I did do the 14-day quarantine in Australia, in Sydney, a bit less than 2 years ago. That was long. 3 days honestly compared to that is nothing. I'm just chilling. So I thought it would be a fun opportunity to just film a little quick video, show you around the room and how hotel quarantine works here in Japan. Enjoy! I actually had a really good flight here from Dubai to Narita, but once I arrived, I was not expecting things to go down the way they did. You needed to download apps, fill out forms, do a bunch of tests, questionnaires. You had to line up in different places, and I don't know, I think we might have just been unlucky because there was a lot of flights before us or something, but we arrived at the airport. We landed at 6 p.m. and then we went through so many different stages of just waiting and scanning QR codes and stuff, and then we ended up arriving at the hotel at 1 or 2 a.m. So that was a whole journey in itself. After all that at the airport, we got on buses and they took us to a hotel. I think it was 10 minutes or so on the bus to a hotel near the airport, and yeah, I've just been in this room ever since. We had to get these apps installed in our phones where we have to answer questionnaires every day about how we're feeling, and we have to record our temperatures, and they give you a video call as well just to make sure that you're in the right location or something. And then we get 3 meals a day: breakfast, lunch, dinner. Breakfast at 8 a.m, lunch at 12, and dinner at 5 or 6. 3 times a day they have this announcement telling us that the food is going out and when we can grab it from outside our doors.
次の放送まで扉を開けずにお待ちください. Attention please. We will start serving your meal now. In order to keep a safe distance away from others, please wait for a few moments until our new announcement. Thank you.
Usually I fast in the morning, so I just take the breakfast one. This one. It's today's breakfast. When lunch comes around, I eat it with lunch, which I think has already arrived, so I'm gonna go grab that from the door. 自分の部屋から出ないでください. Stay room. Very clear and concise. So they hang the meal bags on our door handles. I'll grab this. This was today's breakfast. It got ocha, green tea, orange juice, some instant soup, miso soup, and rice, some vegetables, egg, corn, fish, and veggies. So that was the breakfast, and then this is the lunch. Same general kind of thing. Always rice. I think that's fried chicken. Yummy! So I'll do a little room tour. It's very small. This is my house. Bed. That's my silk pillow. I just bring silk pillowcases everywhere I go so that my skin doesn't get messed up by the hotel ones. This is my view. There's not much to see. They gave me 2 beds for some reason. We've got a fridge, a safe, some slippies. This is the thermometer that they gave us to check our temperature every day. This is where I spend most of my time. I just sit and go on my laptop. TV, and this is the little bathroom. It's kind of cute. Toilet, the Japanese toilet, of course. All the cool gadgets. Toothbrushes, bathtub, shower. Yeah. So yeah, that's about all there is to see. Just a small, cozy room. But yeah, so they're going to give us saliva tests tomorrow. It's day 3. Tomorrow at 7 a.m. we're going to do the test and then wait a couple of hours for those results. And then if we're negative, then we get to be free. Once I'm released, they take us back to the airport, and then I'm going to be able to go home and see my family and my puppy and the cherry blossoms. I'm so excited. Let me know what type of videos you want to see from me here in Japan, especially because I'm going to be traveling within Japan a little bit. So yeah, I'm so excited. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.